All right, Tuesday, full workout. We're gonna go feet together, forward and back jacks. We'll do 10. And squats with a side bend, just what it says. Good squat and one arm over. And we're gonna go opposite sides. We'll do 8. I'm trying to take my inside of my elbow to my ear. Feel that opposite side, open up and stretch. And then we'll go to Froggers. I'm back up a little bit, forward and back. And our Froggers. And then our push-ups today. Get the holly leaf out of the way. 4 push-up spiders. And 4 push-up spiders. And then feet together Jills. We'll go side to side on these. And then forward lunges. And on our forward lunge, we're gonna go opposite foot grab to our hip. Get a nice little stretch. So foot grab, opposite hip. We're only do 6 of these. Really push off your heel on your forward lunge and try to get your head to the sky. Trying to do it without falling down. And then our crawl, we'll go crab and a tabletop. Really trying to bring my hips to the sky here. And then we'll go again, our second round of our push-up spiders. We'll do 3 rounds of these. And we're doing 4 again. And 4 of those. And then side skip with arm reach. All right, I'll start on the side. Very different than our side shuffle. And I'm not crossing over like a grapevine. My knees are coming up. My shoulders are going to the sky, or my shoulders are touching my ears on that. And then we're just going to do regular lunge. Don't do anything with our arms or no rolls on these. Only going to do 6. And then we're one leg bear crawl. I'm going to go up and back with one leg up. And I don't know very far I'm going. And then switch. And then finish up with our last set of push-up spiders. And there you go. Hope you have a Good warm up.